Peace Divines. Today I am making a vegetable juice that is definitely nourishing for the immune system, and it's actually considered cleansing for the lymphatic system as well. And it's even said to even reduce tumors in the body as well. I am not a healthcare professional. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to Montauk Avenue and Happy New Year to everyone if this is a new year for you. And if you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you for joining the Montauk Avenue family. I welcome you with gratitude and love. And let's definitely get into this juice. So the ingredients that I'm going to be using today for my juice, I am going to be using some celery, and I'm also going to be using some beets, and I am also using the top of the beets as well for this juice. And so I made sure to cut them up a bit, of course, because I will be using the Nama J2 juicer on YouTube today. And I'm also going to be using some apples, and I am also going to be using some chili pepper. And I'm also going to be using some ginger. And I'm also going to be using some garlic. Of making juices on my channel, so please be sure to check out my juicing videos on Montauk Avenue channel on YouTube. And you can definitely check out the other videos as well that I love to make, such as DIY videos and videos about holistic living. And I am so grateful for you to be a part of the Montauk Avenue family. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to take the softest ingredients first, and we are going to mix it up a bit and probably do a couple of batches because I do have 2 servings here of this juice. And so I'm going to take some of the tops of the beet, and I'm going to put that in first. And I am also going to take some apple, and then I'm going to take some celery, and then I'm going to take some beets. And now I am going to juice this up, okay? Now we are going to add another batch, and again I'm going to take some of the top of the beets, and I'm going to take some apples, and then some celery, and then some beets. And we're gonna juice that up, okay? So I have about maybe 2 or 3 more batches to go, and altogether that will be about 5 to 6 batches. And in one of these last few batches, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I put the chili and the ginger and the garlic into it, of course, so it can mix well. And I am definitely going to put the recipe in the description, of course, for my lovely divines. And so I will be back when I have finished these batches. Alright, so I am done juicing this lovely red juice. You see how red it is? Oh my goodness, it's so red. Okay, and so I strained it. I definitely strained it. So I recommend you strain it, of course. Sometimes, if you watch my other juicing videos, sometimes I strain, sometimes I don't. It's your preference. It's all edible still, so. And so I'm going to try some. So let's try this lovely beet apple, celery, ginger, chili pepper, garlic, beet tops, beets juice. All right. Alright, so I am going to try this lovely red vegetable juice. You know, I definitely smell the garlic a bit, but it was 1 clove of garlic. So, you know, the recipe did call for 2 cloves of garlic because I'm using 2 servings, but 1 serving calls for 1 clove of garlic. And of course, I smell the apples and the beets. So I am going to try it. Yep, so I'm definitely tasting the chili pepper and the ginger. And you know, I love red juice. Red juice is just so yummy to me. So yes, Divines, you know, I think that this juice is amazing. It tastes good to me. You know, there's a lot of different juices that I love, and I look forward to creating a lot of more juices with you, Divines, okay? And be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And again, I will leave in the description the recipe, and I will definitely leave information about the benefits as well. So peace, Divines, and continue to be blessed. Be true to yourself. Peace, Divines.